Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about another extended result of length of tangents drawn from an external point. So the statement is if two tangents are drawn to a circle from an external point, then they are equally inclined to the line segment joining that point to the center. So to prove it, we'll be taking a circle centered at O and PA and PB are the two tangents, and we have to prove that angle APO equals to angle BPO. Now to prove it, we'll be joining OA, OB and OP. Now let's prove it. We'll be taking triangle PAO and triangle PBO. Now in these two triangles, we can see that OA and OB are the radius, and so they are equal. Next, we have angle OAP and angle OBP, which is 90 degree, as we know that angle between radius and tangent at the point of contact is 90 degree. And OP is the common side between these two triangles. So we can say that triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO by RHS criteria, and so we can say that angle APO equals to angle BPO. And this is how we can prove this statement. Thank you.